Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comments, shares and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang 20 Heller of Czechoslovakia. So napakaganda ang kanyang informasyon dito guys at napakataas ang kanyang value. So share ko sa inyo guys ang kanyang informasyon at ang kanyang value guys. The 20 Heller or Halero coins from Czechoslovakia minted 1986 is a notable piece from the country's numismatic history. Here's an overview of the history, design, and the current value. The historical context. The Heller, known as Haller, is Czech and Hallier in Slovak, has roots tracing back to early 13th century regions that are now part of Germany. It was first recorded between 1200 and 1208 or as early as 1189 according to the some sources. Over time, the Heller became widely used in various Central European countries including Czechoslovakia. In Czechoslovakia, following the 1953 monetary reform, a new series of coins was introduced including the 20 Halero coin. These coins were integral to the country's currency system during the socialist era, reflecting the economic and political environment of the time. Design and specification. Composition: nickel brass alloy, 79% copper, 20% zinc, 1% nickel. Weight 2.6 grams. Diameter 19.5 mm. Thickness 1.5 mm. Edge is rated. The obverse features socialist coat of arms of Czechoslovakia with the year and minting below. Reverse design displays the denomination of 20 with a 5-pointed star above and the engraver's initial to the left. Mintage. While specific mintage numbers of this 1986 coin are not readily available, the 20 Halero coins were produced in large quantities during this period to meet the demands of daily transactions. Current value. As a recent assessment, the 1986 20 Halero coin holds modest value among collectors. Prices can vary based on condition and rarity, but generally such coins are valued at approximately $0.12 to $0.25. Collectability. The 20 Halero coin is a tangible piece of Czechoslovak history, reflecting the nation socialist era. While it may not command high prices in the numismatic market, it holds historical significance and is a popular item among collectors interested in Eastern European coinage. For enthusiasts looking to acquire this coin online, marketplaces such as eBay and specialized numismatic website often have listings available. In summary, the 1986 Czechoslovak 20 Halero coin offers insight into the country's monetary history during the late 20th century. Its design and composition are emblematic of the era, making it a noteworthy addition for collectors and historians alike. So yun guys, napakaganda ang kanyang impormasyon tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Czechoslovakia. At mayroon din itong 782 pesos guys, 0.47 centavos dito sa ating selling online sa eBay. So napakaswerte mo guys kung mayroon kang mga hinawakan na mga lumang mga barya na katulad dito guys. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.